Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Close with Mercy. And so guys, I want us to check on this indicator. You can see right on my chart right here with all the numbers you can see right there written in percentage. You know, this indicator, it is created by Luxalgo, guys, and so it analyzes each and every candlestick pattern. It's actually a very detailed indicator that if you're not really careful, you cannot be able to use this indicator effectively. And so guys, the creator of the indicator really emphasizes that it is an internal candle strength. So each and every candlestick pattern you see right here, it is actually being measured its strength, or rather it's gonna show you whether that candlestick pattern is gonna buy or rather it's gonna sell. But guys, I want you to ask yourself, can these numbers really show you exactly what you need for you to execute your trade? So guys, we're here to reason together. We are here as well to know more about this indicator. And so guys, I'm gonna show you the right settings to use. The only thing you can really do is actually sticking here till the end, subscribing to this channel as I show you the name of the indicator, most importantly the settings that you can use when it comes to this indicator. But before everything else, guys, I tell you is understanding how it works so that guys we can be able to use it executing trades. And the most important thing that I love about this indicator, it is the fact that guys, it is plotting all this for us right on our live market. Remember, for us to make a decision to use an indicator, as traders we need an indicator that is working right on real time and it is not repenting. So guys, what you can see right here, I've ever come across one indicator that was said to be a smart money indicator, and it was said to be a bank indicator. So I'm trying to understand whether Luxalgo has tried to explain this indicator the way the first one was really explained. But basically that one was really bought a lot of money, but now this one Luxalgo is super free. And so guys, what we're gonna do is actually understanding what it does. Okay, and so guys, I want you number one to understand, simply because I've told you it actually shows the strength of a candlestick pattern. You're supposed to know the strength is displayed within each row from 0% to 100%. So we have 0 to 100%. And so guys, you're supposed to keep in mind when you see a 0%, it shows a candlestick is being more bearish. So when you see 0%, like basically what you can see on our live market right here being consecutive, like now it is actually happening in 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. It actually shows that that candlestick pattern is the most bearish. Okay, and so guys, the opposite is actually true. Now when you see 100%, it shows that candlestick pattern is being most bullish. And so guys, that is what you can see right here. It is actually most bullish. But for you to really add the probability of this indicator working, guys, you are supposed to see consecutive one happening. Okay, and consecutive simply means when you see like 100 appearing, like the one we saw right here appearing 4 times in a row. When you see 100 appearing 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutively, it shows the most actually superior. When you see it being single right here, guys, it doesn't really move much, or rather what you can see right here happening. So keep that in mind anytime that you want to use that indicator. This is actually the most important thing to really know. And I know guys, you can ask yourself, what about this candlestick pattern? Like we can see right here, there is no 100%. There isn't something we can really see right there, guys. I'm gonna take you back to what we really pay attention to. And to know about it, guys, stick here to the end so that we can really analyze this indicator and know more about it. Okay, and so guys, another thing you're supposed to know that I would love to clarify: when to look these numbers. Okay, where are you going to really look these numbers? Do you look at them anywhere? This is the answer. I know this is a question you most heard. Traders should be aware of the extreme probabilities located at the higher or lower end of the bars. Okay, so here you look at the higher or lower. The higher can really mean this level right here, or this one right here, or rather this one right here, or that one right here, or this one right here. So guys, it shows us the extreme probabilities. Those are the extreme levels that you're supposed to look at these numbers. Okay, and so guys, as you look at these numbers, you're supposed to know this signify a change in strength and price direction. If you look on these extreme levels being the high and lows, it actually shows the change in extreme strength and price direction. So if you look at it and you see not appearing 0%, you're supposed to be now thinking that this is actually changing, and so you're supposed to know it is time to exit my trades, or rather it is time to execute my trades. That is what he tries to tell you. Look at this at extremes. So this simply means as the candlestick is forming, pay close attention. As the candlestick is forming again, you pay close attention. Which percentage is it giving you when it comes to this candlestick pattern? Looking at our live market, it is keeping on decreasing the number. So what do you do at this given point? You're supposed to really know it is not really being strong now for right to execute trades. So what you're supposed to know, guys, as well, don't forget to use support and resistance levels, your structure levels, simply because when price reaches to that level, expect price to react to it. You understand? And when price is actually reacting to it, this is whereby we can say a retest is happening. So what you do right here is paying attention on the percentage. It shows you the strength of a candlestick pattern. And so guys, the extreme strength readings stacked at a candlestick top or bottom can be a signal, a shift in strength and market direction at the highs and lows. Okay, so guys, what I want you to really pay attention to, because I really wanted you guys to actually zoom this indicator so that you can see that candlestick pattern really well, for you to use it correctly, for you to understand it correctly. Maybe I'm gonna do a video explaining this so that you guys can really understand. Make sure, guys, you are seeing potential reversal points. Like for instance, this is a level you're supposed to watch the market from, and so highlighting it, you will see it is a reason why price is reacting to. So for this indicator to work properly for you, you have to ensure you are understanding your support and resistance levels. And when it comes to time frames, it is crucial as well. So guys, when, like for instance, you are on your resistance right here, you see a 0%, you only wait to see candlestick close below it. When you see a 0%, continue executing your trades. Okay, and so when you get again to a support, rather a key level like this one right here, you're supposed to be thinking, am I going to exit my trade? So when it came to the level being rejected, you see 100%. I told you, it shows you that buyers are in control. You can think of executing your buy order. That is all. You can use this indicator when you want to execute your trades. I'm gonna do a full video explaining a strategy. This is just but a highlight, but I've shown you what you're gonna do. Okay, and so guys, now I want you to turn on your notification bell. Let's have a date that we're gonna meet here again, showing you the strategy of trading using this indicator. So guys, I want to show you how to add the indicator. And so guys, to add it, you're just going to click on indicators tab in tradingview.com. Under technical, so just going to type internal candle range It is actually the first one by Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will not really appear like this until you make some changes. And so guys, we are going direct on settings because this is what you all should pay attention to if you want the best from this indicator. So guys, there is what you can see, the time frame. The time frame, I want you to use it on 1 minute time frame. And so guys, that is what we know about a row size. That is something I want you to know about the row size. When you select a row size, this will increase the number of numbers per bar, okay, allowing a more detailed analysis. So guys, the lowest you can use is 100. Simply because you need to see more detailed analysis. Row size, use 100. Again, row size, use 100. When you use 100, ensure the time frame right there you're selecting 1 minute. But when it comes to a real chart, I want you to use 30 minutes time frame. I know it's a kinda really confusing, but I want you to use it that way. The rest, leave them on default settings. Once you do like that, this is the settings you really need. Okay, so guys, let me hope this video added some value to you. Let's meet next time, or rather the following video showing you a strategy to use when it comes to this indicator. Okay, bye guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video.